Zaya, who is
like
that?
Connor tonight.
Yes, he does.
Zaya, who is that?
You still there, Connor?
Yeah.
She looks like you tonight, Connor.
She does.
Zaya, who is that? And?
Gramps.
Yeah, say hi,
Yeah,
Graham.
good to see you.
Good job.
Say hi, Gramps.
Gramps.
Good
I
job.
think that's the first time I've heard her say Gramps.
Graham.
Hi, Graham.
Zaya. Did Connor go to school?
Huh?
Huh?
Oh no.
You don't know?
Oh,
No.
That's working. Giggle, Daddy.
You're welcome.
Zaya, can you sing Twinkle Twinkle? Little star. Oh, there went that. Hi, Zaya.
Oops.
Hey, Tiny.